vitamin D, you talked about dementia, what's going to help prevent dementia. Vitamin D it's actually more than a vitamin. Vitamin D gets converted into a steroid hormone. So a steroid hormone, essentially what it does is it goes into the nucleus of a cell where all your DNA is, and it's activating genes and deactivating them. It's affecting your genome. And it's actually over 5% of your genome is being affected by vitamin D. Why is that important? Because 70% of the US population has insufficient levels of vitamin D. The reason for that is because vitamin D3 is actually made in the skin from UVB radiation from the sun. And so if you're not outside, then you're not really making a lot of vitamin D3 in your skin. And vitamin D3 then gets converted into this steroid hormone that regulates everything, right? And so, in modern day society, we're inside all the time. We're working. We're not outside. And even if you were outside, there's so many other factors that affect it. So anything that blocks out UVB radiation blocks out the availability of your body to make vitamin D3. So sunscreen, right? That's a big one. Melanin, the darker pigmentation that acts as a natural sunscreen. And then latitude, depending on where you live also. So, a good number of months out of the year, if you're in a more northern latitude, like England, like Wales, like Chicago or Sweden, UVB radiation's not even hitting the atmosphere, for several months out of the year. Combine that with sunscreen or melanin, and you got like this disaster, right? In fact, there was a study out of the University of Chicago that looked at African Americans and Caucasians and their
Black people and
ability.
white people.